Hi guys, I'm sorry I haven't been on YouTube lately, so I'm gonna sing Unfaithful by Rihanna, so I hope you like it. Story of my life, searching for the right, but I keeps avoiding me. Story of my soul, cause it seems like wrong, really lost my company. Here's my land of man, and this is more than love, the reason that the sky is blue. And I know that he knows my faithful, and it kills him inside to know that I am happy with some other guy. I can see him dying. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to be the reason why every time I walk out the door I'm seeing him dying a little more inside. And I don't want to hurt him anymore. I don't want to take away his life, 'cause I don't want to be a murderer. Oh. Yeah, that's kind of half of it, so yeah, hope you like it.